Hello again, all you metal workers. We had a challenge to make a bracket here. We're gonna make 20 of them. And they don't have to be perfect, but they gotta kind of look like that. So I come up with this just piece of scrap I had laying around, cut it out with a torch, ground it up a little bit, welded a piece of 1.5 inch round stock on a piece of plate there. It's got to fit around a piece of 1.25 inch pipe, and that measures 1.5 inches roughly on the outside. Pieces are about 6.5 inches long. I just put the holes in there with an iron worker. Mark the center of it there. And I'll show you how it works. Put the mark right on the center there. Get it as square as you can. It's a 50-ton press. It doesn't take much to push it though. You could probably do it with a 10-ton. Easy. Let me get that over just a smidge. There you go. You got to line the mark on the steel, center of the round stock, and then the center of the I guess you'd call it the punch or the die. I don't know, however you want to say it. Here we go. When both ends come down about the same time, you know you got her centered. There you go. Just like that. It's off just a smidgen. I might have to, it's not that critical. 1/16 of an inch ain't nothing. Have a good day.